Hello guys, welcome to Megalite YouTube channel. For today's video, I go unbox and review the Redmi Note 10S and talk about all the fine features when it gets. The camera, the storage and the display all make sense and I go talk about them for this review. If you dey anywhere for Nigeria, you fit carry between 130 to 135,000 naira enter any phone store and take this phone go house. Unlike most other phones, the packaging box of this phone no carry much details like the battery capacity, the camera quality and the storage capacity. So I go just open the box and see the things when they inside. We get the phone with a quick specification for front of the box. From the quick specification, now the 64 megapixel quad cameras with micro lens na dey inside. Actually about the micro lens of this back camera, I try am during the course of this video and we go soon to find out how the micro camera really dey work pass. Then the second quick specification na the 6.43-inch AMOLED display, then the MediaTek Helio G95 chipset and the 33-watt fast charging with 5000 mAh typical battery. Up next inside the box na the SIM injector, the flexible and transparent plastic pouch. Well, I no fit resist the temptation to wear the phone, the pouch. If you ask me, the pouch really makes sense for the phone and it make am feel so comfortable for hand. Next inside the box na the charger. This charger na 33-watt fast charger and it fit charge the phone battery from 0 to 54% in just 30 minutes. The last thing inside the box na the charging cable. Before I go continue, just make sure say you don subscribe to this channel. Na one way when you fit take encourage my work be that. If you no like this video, tell me wetin I do wrong for the comment section so that I go fit adjust for the next video. So subscribe to this video, like the video too and make comment under the comment section. The phone dey thin and e dey light. Since na 5000 mAh battery e dey use, I expect am to dey heavy pass the way e be. The end of the phone dey flat and the entire design make the phone look premium. The display of the phone na AMOLED with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The resolution na 1080 by 2400 pixel with 83.5% screen to body ratio. If you dey look for great camera for selfie, then try this phone because the front camera na 13 megapixel and it fit take 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. The left corner of the phone carry the volume key and the power key. The power key na still be the fingerprint sensor. The only way to know if the fingerprint sensor dey respond well na to test am. So I go just try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It passed the test. The fingerprints dey respond very well, right on time. Top of the phone carry one microphone, infrared blaster and the speaker. The infrared blaster na the sensor for the phone wey make am dey act like remote control. So you fit use this phone to operate some smart devices like TVs and so on. The phone itself come with this MI remote app. With the app, you fit use and control wide range of smart devices. From here, you fit see the MI TV and the MI Box, which is their own brand television. Then the regular smart TV, AC, fan, DVD player, projector and even cameras. With this phone, you fit control all these devices conveniently. For the left side of the phone, na the SIM house. The phone dey use 2 SIM cards plus memory card. For the bottom of the phone, na another speaker, charging port, another microphone and finally the 3.5mm audio jack. The back side of the phone carry 4 cameras. The main camera na 64 megapixel wide angle and the second one na 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. Actually, these 2 cameras dey awesome, but very soon we'll reach the camera section and we'll try am to see how these 2 camera power reach. The remaining 2 cameras na 2 megapixel each. One of them na be the macro camera I just run small test on the macro camera against the regular camera and see wetin I get. One of the things I like about this phone na the security of the phone. E dey use the privacy protection password to lock your sensitive apps and require password anytime when you wan open them. Then the emergency SOS na another security feature of the phone. If you feel say you no dey safe for where you dey, just press the power button fast for 5 times and the phone go send your location to your emergency contact. This phone dey run on 6GB RAM with 128GB ROM. I no really need to stress the fact say na Android 11 phone and the chipset na MediaTek G95 with octa-core CPU. Obviously, na good phone for gaming. No mind the game wey you dey see for the screen now, na just one of the games wey come with the phone. One good thing about the phone be say na water and dust resistant phone, even though say damage from water no be part of the warranty conditions of the phone. I just dey try some stupid things with the phone when I try the FM and find out say e dey work without earpiece, even though say the phone go still ask you to plug earpiece. The whole FM interface dey different from the regular one when you know, and I like this one pass. I only dey try dey fair here. For the most part, Redmi Note 10S get the camera all right. The main camera dey record 4K videos and dey try pass most cameras when you expose am to source of light. For anything about camera, na general rule say e no suppose face light source, but this phone camera manage try for this area. The zoom in na another area where this camera for do well. The difference between the macro mode and the normal video mode dey so big. The only thing when the Redmi Note 10S camera no get na the night mode. Actually the night mode dey inside, but no be exactly wetin I expect. For front, I no get complaint too with the selfie camera. This one are the front camera of the Redmi Note 10S, and that's just a try for clarity. If you ask for my own opinion, I think the camera makes sense. It dey as clear as wetin everybody could expect, and na very fine and good camera. Well, I won't try take the other side and see how it could look like with the phone gets so many good sides, and it go hard to notice in bad side. It dey respond fast. Na wetin we expect from 6GB RAM phone be that, and I only dey expect say the next release go dey better. No forget to tell me wetin you think using the comment section for bottom, and if you like this video, remember to subscribe to this channel and like am too.